Hello everyone, my name is Raul and welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to making lemon pie. The ingredients that we will need are
First step, we have to mix the milk judge with the can of condensed milk and the lemon juice in the blender for 1 minute. Second step, in a refractory, put the mixture of the lemon and the 2 milks by parts. Integrate a small part of the mixture and cover them with the Marías cookies arranged one by one, so on consecutively until you reach the top of the refractory. Third step. Once stage 2 is finished, we will take our refractory to the refrigerator for 4 hours. Fourth step. After our dessert is well refrigerated, we will decorate it in the way that you like the most.
Thanks for watching this video and see you later.